Thank you so much for assisting us.
Always welcome.
Great, very friendly and very hospitable. So guys, as we already mentioned, nandito kami ngayon sa Cocoon Hotel here in Quezon City sa Scout Tobias. So, bakit pa kami nandito ngayon? It's actually our second time here in Cocoon. Kasi the first time, actually, I was looking for a place in the city kasi nga, we're Laguna people, diba? So, masyado kaming malayo. So, sometimes when we do have work dito sa Manila, we need a place in the city. So, nakita ko ang Cocoon sa Agoda. And ang ganda nung deal, maganda yung from the pictures itself, kompleto sila ng amenities, everything that we need for our stay. Tsaka, yun nga, sa photos pala nakita ko magaganda yung mga beds nila and malawak yung room. So I said, okay, let's see. So I booked for 2 nights and na-enjoy naman namin yung stay namin. So now we're back and we're actually staying now in a 1-bedroom suite and it's really, really nice. So thank you so much, Cocoon.
Dustin. Good job, Dustin. Good job.